Hey guys, this is Rima, and today I'm going to talk about how to create social media marketing goals and objectives. The first thing you need to do is establish the goals and objectives you want to achieve. So keep a target of a month or 3 months or as much as you want to, basically, or 1 year maybe. Okay, it's totally your wish, and you need to plan it accordingly without goals, because without a goal you cannot reach success or have a positive ROI. So your social media marketing strategy should support your business goals so that in the near future it can get people to invest in your business, because we are working for that, right? We need people to invest in our business, and we need people to talk about us, to know us, to be our customers. So that is what our ultimate aim is, because we are not doing social media marketing just for the sake of it, of course. So this is what you need to do. So don't just consider likes or shares or the engagement metrics as your only success, but also note how many leads have been generated through these campaigns, through this social media campaigns. So you need to plan the total thing, marketing, social media marketing thing, so well that all this things are working out correctly. And if they are not, you know what to do and how to do it. And then you can change it accordingly and see success for yourself. Like, you need to write down the goals that you have in mind, okay, and also you need to keep in mind your target audience and potential customers, because of course your campaigns are going to affect them. If it's not right, they're not going to do anything with it. So your all planning, everything goes in waste if nothing is planned out properly in a structured format. So you need to start off by writing your social media marketing plan at least with 4 to 5 social media goals. Suppose you want 50 likes, 100 shares, and maybe say 30-40 comments on a post. So keep it 2 to 3 posts a week with these defined goals and see what the results are. And also don't forget to note how you are going to track that goal, because of course if you have a goal, you need to know how to track it, and you need to know when to track it and how to track it and what to track it. Okay, so that's how you can create the goals, like not just goals, I should say like smart goals for your social media. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can do a social media audit in less than 10 minutes. Stay tuned.